Have you ever wondered how airplanes are able to fly? It's a fascinating process. That involves the generation of lift to overcome the force of gravity pulling them down. This lift is created by the wings of the airplane as they move through the air. The shape of an airplane's wing, known as an airfoil, plays a crucial role in creating the necessary lift. As the airplane moves forward, air flows over and under the wings. The wings are cleverly designed with a curved top and a flatter bottom. This design is based on Bernoulli's principle, which states that faster-moving air has lower pressure. So, as air flows over the curved top of the wing, it has to travel a longer distance and therefore moves faster, resulting in lower pressure. On the other hand, the air moving under the wing travels slower, leading to higher pressure. This pressure difference creates an upward force on the wing, which we call lift. But how does the airplane move forward to create this essential airflow? This is where thrust comes into play. Thrust is the force that propels the airplane forward, and it is generated by powerful engines. The plane can have either jet engines or propellers, but the principle remains the same. The engines push air backward, and according to Newton's third law of motion, this action pushes the airplane forward. As the airplane moves forward, the wings generate even more lift. However, there is another force at play known as drag. Drag is the resistance caused by the airplane moving through the air. In order to maintain steady flight, the thrust generated by the engines must overcome drag, while the lift produced by the wings must counteract the force of gravity. To control the direction and altitude of the airplane, pilots use control surfaces. These include ailerons, elevators, and the rudder. Ailerons, located on the wings, allow the pilot to control the roll of the airplane, tilting it left or right. Elevators, located on the tail, control the pitch, enabling the pilot to raise or lower the nose of the airplane. Finally, the rudder, also on the tail, controls the yaw, allowing the pilot to turn the nose of the airplane left or right. In summary, an airplane is capable of flying by skillfully, balancing four key forces: lift, generated by the wings to counter gravity; thrust, produced by the engines to overcome drag; drag, which is the air resistance, pushing against the plane's motion; and gravity, the force pulling it downward. Through meticulous control of these forces, an airplane can safely take off, fly, and land. Next time you find yourself aboard an airplane, remember the incredible mechanics at work that make flight possible.